expectations. My whole life has been filled with expectations. And people assume I'm a product of my mother and my father, of what I was raised around, what I grew up with. In my case, people point to music. They assume that it flows through my blood, that it's the only logical direction I could ever go, that it controls my every move. And in a way, you're exactly right. I am a product of where I'm from, how I was raised. See, I have this amazing background, this wonderful way of life that I know, but also a vision and a future. And I understand where my heart sets. As for me, it places itself musically. I find pure joy in new ideas, in using the past but forging a new way. Is why people ask, why would I not be a country music singer? Why would I not chase that dream? Would it be easier? I don't know. Would it be more familiar? Of course. But there's something about stepping out of your comfort zone, pushing yourself past the restraints of what you know to be familiar, what makes you comfortable. It's where vulnerability comes into play. And as a songwriter, there's nothing more real than being vulnerable. There's a lot of things I would never say. There's a lot of things I would never let myself be exposed to, except through a song. Because there's something about music. There's something about the art and the way it cuts through all barriers. It can cut through a language barrier. Something that powerful can transcend around the world, that words on their own could truly never provoke the same thoughts, the same ideas. It's what inspires me to do what I do. It's why I'm chasing this dream.
Things seem crazy now, just thinking about myself.
When you see other human beings having emotions they could never feel any other way, and only through music is that possible, why else would I chase a different dream? This is where I belong. This is me.